What if I told you one simple recipe could save you time, make multiple meals, and keep your family happy all week? Today, we're talking about Italian meatballs, the new meal prep secret weapon. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Eats with Ellen. Today, we're going to make Italian meatballs that can be used in multiple ways, transform multiple meals during the week. We're thinking about spaghetti and meatballs. We're talking about meatball subs. We're talking about pizza toppings and even a protein-packed snack. We're going to keep the meatballs simple. We're talking about ground beef, Italian seasonings, garlic, Parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs, and milk. And here's the best part about the meatballs. They store beautifully in plastic containers where you can put them in the refrigerator or freezer. So all you have to do is either thaw them if they're in the freezer, heat, eat, and enjoy. So if you love these stress-free meal prep ideas, hit that subscribe button and leave in the comments how you enjoy meatballs. So there you have it. We have our meatballs all ready in our container, ready for the refrigerator or the freezer. Super easy, super fast, making your weeknights easy. Thanks for stopping by Everyday Eats with Ellen. I'll see you next time.